Assalamualaikum, a very good day to my respected e-grader and my fellow viewers. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Nuraliah Aslin and my matriculation number is 970814 105694-001. Currently, I am a semester 5 student in Education Faculty, pursuing a Bachelor of Teaching Primary Education with Honours Program at Open University Malaysia Shah Alam Learning Centre. I am recording this video from my subject OUMH1303 English for Oral Communication. The purpose of my speech today is to explain the physical structures of a very interesting and tiny insect. Many people think all mosquitoes are dangerous because they bite humans. But my specimen today is different. My presentation is all about the male Anopheles mosquito head. Most mosquitoes are peaceful because they do not drink blood. They only eat nectar from flowers. The title of my speech is Exploring the Anatomy and Biological Significance of the Male Anopheles Mosquito Head, a Microscopic View. Before I begin my observation, I want to ensure this equipment is in good condition. I always prioritize the care of our scientific tools for an accurate report. First, I will perform a visual check on the objective lenses. I make sure there is no dust or dirt that could block our view. I also ensure that my hands are very clean and dry before handling this equipment to avoid leaving any oily marks on the glass. Next, I am checking on the stage to make sure it moves smoothly. I will start with the stage at the lowest position. This is a very important safety step to protect the slide from touching the lens. Now that everything is checked and ready. Okay, right now I am putting my slide under the microscope and I am using 4 times magnification to ensure that this sample can be seen clearly for our observation. As a future teacher, I think it is important to show how scientific tools helps us to see the hidden world. Let's start the observation. Before we look at the details, I want to show you the view behind the lens at 4 times magnification. At 4 times, the image looks far away, but we can see the full sample of the mosquito head. This gives us a clear overview of the whole specimen at its position. Now, I will switch to 10 times magnification to make sure the structures are clearly visible. At this level, the image is much closer and sharper. We can now see the specific parts of the head in detail. Okay, first, let's look at these 2 large, bushy structures. These are, we call it antennae. In the male mosquito, we call this plumose because it looks like a feather. In biology, the difference between male and female structures is called sexual dimorphism. If you look closely, you can see many tiny hairs. These hairs are very sensitive because they act like ears to help the male hear the sound of the female mosquito's wings. I also found a recent study from Nature Communications in 2025. It explains that these antennae have special cells that act like smell sensors. This means the antennae help the mosquito both hear and smell. This is a very important part of their biology for finding food and surviving in the wild. Okay, next. Look at these 2 big dark areas. These are the compound eyes. They are made of thousands of tiny lenses called omatidia. This helps the mosquito see in many directions at once, so they can fly away from predators. Now, look at the middle pipe. This long straw is the proboscis. The male uses this to drink sweet nectar. Next to it is maxillary bulbs. In the Anopheles mosquito, these bulbs are very long. The 2025 study mentions that these bulbs also help the mosquito smell and find the best plants to eat. So, why is this report important for animal biology? It is because it helps human health. Scientists at Iowa State University study the immune system inside these mosquitoes. They look at special cells called hemocytes. By studying these tiny cells, researchers want to stop diseases like malaria. If we understand how the mosquito's body works, we can find ways to stop the disease from moving to humans. This shows that a small study of a mosquito head can help save many lives. In conclusion, the male Anopheles mosquito is a very complex insect. We have observed the plumose antennae, the compound eyes, the proboscis, and the maxillary bulbs. We also learned how these parts relate to internal immune cells. As a student in the Bachelor of Teaching program, this project is very meaningful. It shows me that even small things in nature have a very big story to tell. I hope you enjoy my report and learn something new today. Studying animal structures is the key to a better future for science and health. Thank you so much, my e-grader, and to everyone for watching. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.